Meaning of impugn.
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 Impugn. The word impugn means to challenge or question the truth or validity of something, often with the intention of discrediting it. It can be used to describe a situation where someone is trying to undermine an argument or statement by casting doubt on its reliability or accuracy. Impugning can also refer to an attack on someone's reputation, using false or misleading information. In essence, it is a way of calling into question the credibility of someone or something. Overall, impugning is a serious accusation that can have significant consequences for the target of the attack.